Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today I want to introduce the Chef's Roll knife case / pastry chef bag. Alright, so this is an all leather case. It's built like a toolbox. It's mainly for a pastry chef, but a chef of course can use it with many knives and tools. It's definitely a statement piece. The same Jende quality that you're going to get with our knife rolls is all throughout here. You got plenty of room on the outside, which will open up into a cavernous inside. The dimensions of the outer case are about 20 inches by 10 by 10. So on the opposite side, start off with 3 pouches. All right, easy access, very much like a motorcycle bag. Come in, pop them in. Boom. Also flat storage on the outside, so if you're carrying recipes or a clipboard, that you have an easy access right here on the outside without having to open anything up. Opening it up is a little bit more involved than just flipping a switch. So we've got all those securities on the side here, the belts. Now we can open it as a toolbox function, right? So this is where things are still encased. So this will open up, that's okay, it's still attached. So first thing we're going to do, maybe undo the front here too. All right. So now your lid pops open. What we have inside is a ginormous cavern. That's roughly a little less than 20 by 10 by 10. So now you can put your piping tips in here, you can put whisks, you can put bowls, measuring, small scales. You have a lot of space. You can secure your knives and spoons and spatulas and flat things in here as well. So inside there's another flat storage space. On the outside here there's another flat storage. It opens up as well. So a lot of flat storage. In this configuration, you can open and close the lid as you need and get what you need to get. You have access to everything. But let's open it up all the way in its full grandeur. And opens up in its full grandeur. Once you open up the bag, you see there's 28. That's right, 28 folks. 28 slots for different knives, tools, spatulas, anything you can basically carry. These straps in the middle are for securing in case you've got something very thin or very long that can come around and loop in and strap everything down to stop it from banging around. So again, so you can do it several loops to keep everything locked down, and then you can flip it over to lock it all into place. So this is for the chef, the pastry chef who has stuff and needs to travel and transport their things safely and with style. Closing up the case, the flap side here. This all goes in and everything lines up. Take the belt buckle here, scoot that up, snake it through, and the other side. It's a little bit to do, but this way there's no hardware, and it's a great compromise because now you're not carrying a toolbox. It comes up and then it's open for closing the lid later. And back into your original configuration as a toolbox. Put the lid on, close that up, and secure it.